Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete draft reels on Instagram, right? So we will just open our Instagram here and I will show you how first of all I will create a draft, then I will show you how to delete it. So we'll just tap on this plus icon, then we will go to the reel section here. Once we here, we will just record a video, right? And once I record a video, I will just click on the next, right? Once I click on the next, I will again tap on the next, right? But I will just save this as a draft. So you can only view this as a draft only if you have saved, right? So if I just want to delete a draft, I will just go to here, and here you can see on the top I see an option which is called draft, right? So if I tap on the draft, you can see all my drafts will be shown here, right? If you are not able to find the draft section here, there is a one more way where you can find your drafts. Just go to your profile icon. On the reel section, you will see the draft. If it is a reel video, then it will show you in the reel section as a draft. If it is a post, then it will show you in the post as a draft section, right? So I will just tap on the draft and I will select it, right? On the top right, you can see there is option of select. I will select this. Now I will just click on discard. So once I press on the discard, this video has been deleted, and in this way you can just delete draft reels on Instagram. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.